In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pass on Google Drive. If you've ever needed to quickly give someone access to a file or a whole folder, this is the clearest, most reliable way to do it. We'll walk through the process and make sure you understand what each permission means so you can share confidently and keep your content safe. Start by opening Google Drive. You can do this in any modern web browser. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. That simple check can save you from sharing the wrong file or wondering why something isn't showing up. Next, locate the file or folder you want to pass along. Right-click it to open the context menu. This works for documents, spreadsheets, presentations, PDFs, images, and entire folders, so choose exactly what you want to share. Click Share. A sharing window will appear. This is your control center for deciding who gets access and what they're allowed to do. Now choose how you want to send access. If you already know the person's email address, type it into the field provided. This sends a direct invitation, which is great for precise, secure access because only the people you list will be able to open it. If you prefer to send the access yourself through chat, text, or another platform, click Copy Link. That creates a shareable link you can paste wherever you like. Think of this as a convenient handoff method when you're coordinating in multiple places. Before you finish, set the right permission. Viewer means the person can only open and read the file or folder. They can't change anything, which is perfect for final reports, reference materials, or files you don't want altered. Commenter allows them to leave comments and suggestions without changing the actual content. Use this when you want feedback or a review cycle. Editor grants full editing power. They can change the file, move it, and in many cases even share it with others. Reserve Editor for teammates you fully trust to modify the content. When everything looks good, click Done. If you entered emails, those people will receive an invitation message. If you copied a link, remember to paste and send that link to your recipients. If someone tells you they can't open the file, it usually means they don't have permission yet. So return to the share window and add them directly. That's it. You've successfully passed your file or folder on Google Drive with the right access level and minimal friction.